Okay, Anita. Look, further to the Skype thing, I'll just see how I go with it. Look, don't pay much attention to, because this is my screen here. Look, I'll see about how far I can get with actually installing. Okay, I'll go into Google. Don't worry about what you see me doing here at the moment, because it'll just confuse you. Okay, now we've got this is the link that I sent you. Now it says here Skype free. Now you click download Skype. I've clicked it, and as I say, I don't know how far I'll get because I've already got Skype installed. But this is more or less, see, hello, thanks for downloading Skype English. This is what will come up when you follow what I clicked before. Agree, next. As I say, I don't know how far I'll get with this. Install. It's just putting it in at the moment. Don't mean to confuse you with all the stuff I'm sending to you, but you know, if we can get Skype in, you and I can talk backwards and forwards as well, and this Skype is totally free. It costs you nothing. You talk as long as you like, anywhere in the world, and there's millions of people use it. You can also put messages in, you know, written messages, like I showed you earlier on. But we'll just see what happens here. I'll probably end up building my own Skype up while doing this. Quite often, if you've already got it in place, it'll tell you, and I'm expecting that to come back. These things you see on the screen there, like monthly pay as you go, that's for another part of Skype, but what we're doing is totally free. You can set it up where you can make phone calls. It's a lot cheaper than using conventional phone lines, but I haven't actually bothered with it. But this is just about ready to install it. Installing Skype might take a few minutes. Hang on. You can see it's loading it up there. Okay. Now, I'll just see how it goes. It's very simple actually. Hang on, we'll just see what this is. No, it's gone. There, see, it's put it in here. It's installed it over the top of mine, and that's what you will get. Now, once you've got that, hang on, I'll just wait till this finishes there. I'll just wait till it's there. There we go. Now I'll get out of there because that's finished. Okay, see, we've got Skype up there, and I'll just click this, and I've got all my contacts there, and that's all there is to it. And as I said before, to add like me or David, you just click add a contact. Now I'll try this again say David, what is it? More NZ at gmail.com. We'll see what he comes up with. Normally it comes up and it tells you here. No, I don't know why. Oh no. I'll just try some other things. I need it just a minute. See, it's found 8 matches. I just put my name in there. Click view. Now, these are all me actually. And when it comes up, I think this is the one. This is the one here. So you would click that, and that would put my contact. You click that, and it would go into here. Hang on, I'll just get out of there again, and I'll see if I can find David's one. Excuse me. I'll just put David's name. View. David Hicks, there he is there. So already a contact. So normally in your case it would come up with like add contact under here, and all you do is that, and it would go in there, and then every time, hang on, I'll just clear that. So every time you want to ring him, just right click and video call, and there you're up there like that, and it's calling him. Now that's dropped out because, as I said earlier on, he's not online. Now when you're using Skype, see where you've got a green with a white tick in it? Those people are online already. When these here, like this, Skype contact, you can go up here and it'll see where it says the little green with the tick. That means it's online. Now if you don't want any calls for a while, you can just click that like that, and it'll make that away, or you can click that. Receive notification. Okay. See, and it comes up red and you're away. But I just leave it online like that. That's more or less it. But as I say, any problems, just give me an email and we'll take it from there. But anyway, I'll shrink down out of there, and I'll catch you later anyway, Anita. Great talking to you again. Okay. Bye-bye for now.